The detail that you have on the fabric is fantastic. It's a symbol carrying a certain culture. What I want you to start thinking about framing. How to use this natural framing to create the tension. You can separate the whole scene into two areas, the outside and the inside. And with that framing, anything cut into the framing, that would become the focal point. Right now, you have the girl breaking that rectangle, the girl's face, and actually the main object. Everything outside of that frame becomes the second group. I would like to have inside the group over here, even a little bit darker, even include the woman's face a little bit darker, the clothing a little bit darker, and even include right upper corner. Right now is a light colors. I want to have it even darker too. So leave the window or become the opening, and which is contain the lighter color, and the greatest contrast will be on the girl's face. Girl's arm hanging on the window, make it a little bit darker too. Keep the outside a little bit lighter and keep the inside to be a little bit darker. Anything that you can simplify the secondary objects, it would help to make the first object to appear more important. It is about the way that you are going to make a decision. Is what is the most important? How I can make it more important? That one of the way that you can do it to grouping all the non-essential elements, or say the supporting elements, into the secondary group, and use the natural framing to enhance the focal point. Good job. I'm looking forward to see your new works. Thank you for your continuing support.